Picture yourself in the 2019 Audi A5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. The Audi A5 Sportback. Safety, luxurious comfort, athletic style. Oh, and it's passenger and cargo friendly too. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: sun moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, backup camera, tire pressure monitoring system, intermittent wipers, four-wheel ABS. Feel the joy of the drive without sacrificing passenger comfort or cargo capability. Check out the A5 Sportback today.